Four first-year UConn medical students have spent the past few months pedaling their way across the country. The mission to raise money to fight leukemia. They cycled into the UConn School of Medicine in Farmington today, close to the end of their trek. Time to celebrate after nearly 4,000 miles bicycling from San Francisco to Farmington. The four UConn medical students who took on the challenge have made their way home.
I feel great. I feel this is the best I've ever felt.
I don't think I'll ever have a chance to do something quite like this again.
For each of the last 5 years, a group of students from the UConn Medical School have participated in the Coast to Coast for a Cure bike ride to benefit Leah's foundation.
I think we all know Leah's story from Leah's foundation. She was 28 when she passed away from leukemia, and the foundation is in honor of her.
The foundation was started in 1998 following Leah Economo's death. It raises money for research into the causes of leukemia and related cancers. The four cyclists found inspiration in the foundation and from victims of the disease.
We met a lot of people who had leukemia, people whose children have died of leukemia, people whose parents and grandparents have had leukemia. And so, like, whenever I met someone like that, like the very next day or that day, I'd tell myself, you know what, you're going to ride for this person. And as hard as the trip gets, like, it's nothing compared to what these people have been through.
Just think of, people going through leukemia or any cancers or any illness like this and think it's so much worse for them. And they cannot do what you're doing right now. Like, for how hard it is, you have your health, that you can keep going and you can do an amazing thing like this.
Even though they're happy to be home, each of the riders says they have grown from the experience in their own way.
If I could sum up the entire experience, it was the opportunity of a lifetime and memories for a lifetime.
And next Saturday, the four riders will start off from the UConn Medical Center to Milford, where they'll dip their toes into the Long Island Sound and their tires completing the coast-to-coast ride.